right, let's apply what we've learned about point slope and apply it to objects on the coordinate plane. So I see here on the coordinate plane, I've got a quadrilateral that is graphed. And then I'm asked to write an equation in point slope form of the side ST, segment ST. And then later to do it in standard form. So let's first look at the segment ST on the coordinate plane. Well, one of the things I've got to do in point slope form, one, I've got to determine what the ordered pair or what the coordinates are of a given point. And second, I'm going to have to find the slope. So let's see, here is endpoint S and here is endpoint 2. So there's segment ST. And let's determine the ordered pair for the coordinate S. So I'm coming along the x-axis here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when x is 4, y is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And how about the t coordinate? Let's see, let's go over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. When x is 7, y is 1, 2, 3, got that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so we've determined the coordinates of the endpoints S and T. And now I'm going to need to move to finding slope. Well, remember, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so since I'm looking left to right, I'm going to say the 4, 8 is my number 1 coordinates and the 7, 5 is my number 2. And I'm just going to substitute that in. So I'm going to substitute 5 for y2. And I'm going to substitute 8 for y1. And my x2, I'm going to substitute 7. And my x1, I'm going to substitute the 4. And 5 minus 8 is negative 3. And 7 minus 4 is 3. And so my slope is negative 1. All right, so let's see. I got to put that in point slope form. Now I'm going to have to choose one of these coordinates. And it doesn't matter which one to put this in point slope form. So let's see, what is point slope form? It's y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. All right, well, what do you say we use the 4 and the 8 to put this in point slope form? So then I would have y minus 8 equals, and I've got a negative 1 slope, negative 1 times x minus 4. Well, shazam, that is point slope form. There it is. I've done that part of it. Now I've got to proceed and end up putting this in standard form. Standard form, as you may recall, is ax plus by equals c. All right, well, I guess first thing I ought to do is distribute that negative 1 to the x minus 4. So I got y minus 8 equals negative x plus 4. And if I want to get this in ax plus by equals c, perhaps I should add x to both sides. So I got x plus y minus 8 equals 4. And then what do you say that we add 8 to both sides? And then we're going to be in standard form of x plus y equals 8 plus 4 is 12. Well, shazam. I love it when a good plan comes together.